Voice over muna tayo kahit di ako masyadong sanay. Kakatapos ko lang maligo, I'm just gonna use the skin filter toner to prep my skin. Followed by the Cathydoll Spotlight Serum. Ginagamit ko to isang linggo na and very effective siya in brightening my skin complexion. Ano lang siya, very absorbent and hindi siya sticky. So ayos siya. Right now, nagbo-blower lang ako ng katawan and aking buhok, prepping it for flat ironing. Kasi nagpaplansya ako on a daily basis dahil pag umaalis lang. Kasi medyo wavy yung buhok ko. So starting from the back towards the front, doing the sides, and then yung bangs na part. Yan. Medyo matagal yung process nito kaya naka fast forward lang na konti. Okay, doing the sides now. Tapos ginagamit ko yung aking suklay or turning it off to make sure na hindi mo maiiwanan na mabukas yung plancha mo. Followed by the butterfly shadow hairspray. So habang nag-hairspray ako ng buhok, tinutweak ko na siya kung paano ko siya gusto in position using my hair comb. Yan. Kung paano ko siya gusto mag-stick up. Wala nang masyadong proper way in doing this. Minsan gusto ko mas gulo-gulo, minsan gusto ko mas ayos na ayos. Depende sa mood ko or depende pag meron pa akong time. Pero on a normal basis, basta tumayo lang siya, ayos na ako. And then, isa pang coat ng hairspray, tas I'm done with my hair. Next natin is the L-Glutathione Magic Cream with SPF 50 ng Cathydoll pa rin. Starting from the center of your face, palabas, medyo merong bounce back lang ng light kaya parang feeling nyo maputi pero in person kakulay siya ng skin tone ko. Yan, spread it all over your face and your neck para protected yung face nyo and neck nyo sa sun rays. Next natin is the Ultra Stay Liquid Matte, my favorite liquid lipstick from Nichido, Dirty Talk. Yan, nalagyan ko lang yung lips ko, of course. Inuuna ko to kasi ino-overlap ko siya ng anything na pwede mong i-overlap siya. Like concealer, foundation, or BB cream para lang magkaroon ng gradient effect. I'm gonna use the Super Face BB Cushion sa lips ko para lang i-blur out yung edges. As you can see. There. Tap it para mas blended yung look. Tapos, I'm gonna follow up ng Maybelline crayon in the shade Live on the Edge, I believe. After ko siyang papat ng BB cream. Ayan. So, inner rim lang ilalagay ko. Dinarken ko lang yung inner rim para mas gradient yung look niya. So, using the BLK in Coco Crush, yung bago nilang summer collection. Gonna use it as blush. And yung leftover, lalagay ko rin sa lid para lang mas summer feel, mas magkaroon lang ng kulay yung mukha ko and hindi siya sobrang flat looking. And medyo drunk blush yung look or sun-kissed. Tapos using the BLK contouring stick in the shade Cocoa, lalagyan ko lang ng shadow yung face ko para hindi masyadong flat na flat niya. Finishing it off with Fresh, yung collaboration with Ray and May. Translucent lang to pero medyo may white siya na parang polvo yung effect niya, which okay sa akin kasi ang fresh ng dating. Spreading it all over the face and your neck. And may SPF 50 rin siya kaya gusto ko rin kasi panglabas talaga siya. Topping it off with the BLK setting spray. And yun na. Fixing my outfit na pambahay. Kasi stay lang naman ako sa bahay. Feel ko lang mag all white today. Yun. Medyo quick lang ating video. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching and God bless. Bye!